MelodySusie Portable UV LED Nail Lamp. Compact gel nail dryer, light curing LED UV gel nail polishes professionally. Manicure pedicure gel nail starter kit with 45/60s timer setting. White. Quick drying MelodySusie 6W Violet Black LED UV nail lamp to shorten your curing time by 50% than other LED nail lamps. It is well compatible with most types of gel nail polishes. Please kindly note that this nail lamp can't be returned. If you have any problems, please contact us for help. Portable and compact MelodySusie 6W mini nail lamp is compact, ergonomic, and lightweight. It's the perfect pocket nail lamp for school, office, home use, and travel. You can use it anywhere as you like. Low heat and painless. The nail lamp cures your gel nail polishes with low heat, painless that protects your hands. If you feel this nail lamp is a little small for your hands, we recommend to cure your thumb firstly, then cure the left 4 fingernails. Gift idea: super cute white design with a heart-shaped button makes a perfect gift for friends and family. Best birthday gift for your daughter and granddaughter who would like to learn nail art. Easy to use. This lamp has a 1-button design with a built-in timer. Press the button once for 60 seconds and twice for 45 seconds. This setup is easy to use for even the nail art beginner. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.